Hey, what's up, guys? I'm coming to you with a bike check. I traded my friends for some parts, and I got some new parts, so I'm just going to do a quick bike check. The frame is a 2011 Verde Eon. My headset is kink. My stem is stolen, but I don't know what it is, because I got it from a trade. I think it's like a stock stolen stem, so it's really light too. The bars are Animal Sway bars, ODI long neck grips in white. Stock fork, but I have a kink Voltus fork that I might put on. My hub is a Mission, what is it? A Mission Unison hub. The rim is an Alienation black rim. That's what it's called, black rim, plain black rim. I have a Tom Whitewall tire, but it's not a white wall. These are stock Verde cranks, but I have some premium cranks downstairs. Odyssey Twisted PCs. The sprocket is a Kink Beldam sprocket. It's really nice and thick. I love it. The chain is a white KMC chain. My seat is a Animal Nigel pivotal seat post. The seat post is a purple animal seat post with an animal seat clamp, and then the Animal Nigel seat. My back rim is a Fit FAF tire, and then my back rim is a plain black rim, an Alienation, and then the hub is Mission also. I'm going to try to get a shot of it. It's a Mission. So that's my bike. Rate, comment, subscribe, and check out some more of my videos. Alright, thanks, bye.